Welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn to manipulate the data using expressions. I have already defined the Oracle database connection where I am extracting employees table. This is the data set. Let's manipulate the data by concatenating first name and last name. Email is without domain name. Let's define the domain name and also convert the string to lowercase. Let's extract day, month, and year from hire date. And finally, let's add 10% to the salary. Let's define a new function, def expression. Let's print the result of extract method. Self dot extract. We have to call the method object name dot method name expression. Data is printed in the list of tuples. Let's print the data in new line. For row n self dot extract print row. We got the results in new line. Let's convert the tuple to list, which would help us to manipulate the data easily. List of row. Tuple is converted to list. Now let's start manipulating the data. Let's define data is equal to list of row for row in self dot extract. Within this list, let's start manipulating the data and concatenate the result to the same list. Let's say row of 1 concatenated with row of 2. Let's concatenate the result with space. Let's print the data. Here we have concatenated first name with last name. Let's print the data in new line. For row n data print row. So here we started concatenating the data set. The above result are of previous print statement. Let's get rid of this. Now let's convert the string to lowercase and append domain name. plus row 3 dot lawyer and let's append with domain name mail.com. We converted as asking to lowercase and appended the domain name. Now let's get day, month and year out of this date. Row of 5 dot month plus row of 5 dot day plus row of 5 dot year. Let's print and see the result. So we got month, day and year separately. Let's add 10% to the salary plus float of row 7 should be added with float of row 7 into 10 divided by 100. We have 24,000 here, 26,400 in the manipulated data, where we increased 10% of the salary. Now we have manipulated the required fields, and let's get rid of the fields which is not required. Let's get row 0 and this concatenated value is row 11. And let's get all the manipulated columns respectively. Row 16, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 15, row 12, row 13, row 14, let's print the result. We got employee ID, employee name, salary, phone number, hire date, job ID, year from hire date, email with lowercase and domain name, month and day. So likewise, we can manipulate the data using expressions and retrieve only the required fields. We can return the result in this way. Return all the fields for row n data. This will return the result. Let's print and see. Print ETL dot expression. We got list of tuples. Using for loop, we can print a new line for row one ETL dot expression print row. I have concatenated first name and last name in a list. Let's get rid of the list and let's print the result in tuple itself. So here we have the proper result. Employee ID, name concatenated with first name and last name, respectively all other fields. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.